In a TED Talk-style reveal, researchers unveiled Synaptic Soundscapes, a neural audio rendering system translating brain signals into immersive sound in real time. Born from neuromorphic acoustics and wearable EEG sensing, it maps thoughts and memories to dynamic music, unlocking transformative possibilities for therapy and self-expression. In healthcare, pilots used it to guide stroke patients by turning intended speech into targeted therapeutic melodies that reinforce neural pathways. In transportation, a field trial let drivers cue safe routes through emotional resonance, reducing fatigue on long hauls. In entertainment, studios explored personalized soundtracks that adapt to mood, making films feel like living conversations between viewer and story.